Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to learn how to draw a pattern. Last time for part 1 we drew a square, and I'm going to show you guys today how to use that square in order to draw a pattern. We are going to open another sandbox. Go back to video 1 if you don't know how to do that. To begin with, we are going to take our code from the first one and we're going to paste that into this sandbox. So we have a square, but currently it's just a group of 8 lines of code. So if you want to name your code, and we want to say that this is the act of drawing a square, we can go and we can say def, which is define square, so we can make our own commands. We're going to add a colon at the end of that line, and then with the tab key on our keyboard, we're going to highlight all of those lines of code, and we are going to click tab to bring it one indent forward, which is essentially 4 spaces. And now I have the definition called square. It's called a function in computer science. When we run this, nothing's going to happen yet because we've now defined a new command, but it's as if it's there waiting for us to use it by calling it out and writing the word square. If I write the word square followed by a set of parentheses, so we've created our very first definition called a function, and we are now using the word square as opposed to having those 8 lines of code. Now we are going to turn left by 30 degrees. If you're wondering what commands Tracy is able to do, our little turtle, you can always check the Documents tab, and if you want to use the search tool, you can look for any of her commands. Everything she knows how to do is in there. But we are going to turn left. She also knows the right commands. You can do either direction if you'd like. And when we run this, she will draw a square and turn left 30 degrees. If we were to copy this multiple times and run this, she would draw a square and turn. And we want to do this a total of 12 times. So that's 6, 9, 12. We can also speed her up by typing speed 0, which is the fastest, or 10, so it's not so fast that we can't see her. So this is us drawing that pattern. And then if we wanted to do this in even less lines of code, we can use what's called a loop, a repeat block. So instead of writing square left 30, I can type for I in range 12, followed by a colon, and then indent that. And voila, we have our pattern. In day 3, we'll go more into some of the commands we just used, and I hope to see you there. Please follow along for the journey if this is something that you found cool, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace!